Good evening, everybody. The markets have just closed. It's 3:43 right now, and let's check out the performance of our indicator, which is today, 2nd March. As you can see on my screen, this is a 5-minute Nifty chart. Whenever we trade on index, the time frame is 5 minutes. We have received a sell signal here in the morning, but unfortunately no trades happened. Why? Because the stop loss is very high. As you know, our targets are always double than the stop loss. So if our stop loss is very big, we will not take any trade. Then again we got a buy signal here, but no trades happened here. This candle was not executed. Why? As you know, whenever we get a buy signal, either the next candle or the next 4 to 5 or the closing price of the next 4 to 5 candles, anyone has to be higher than the candle in which we have received the signal. Since it didn't happen, no trade executed here. Then let's look at Bank Nifty. Again in Bank Nifty we have got a sell signal here. The next candle here, the closing price of the next candle is lesser than the candle in which we got the signal, but no trades happened here. Why? If you see, the stop loss is around 1500 points, definitely 3000 points we can't manage, so no trades happened here. We got a buy signal here, but we will not consider as this a signal, as we will not consider this as a trade, because we do not enter into any trade after 2 o'clock or 2:15 maximum. Now let's look at some stocks. This is an Lnt stock. For stock we use a 3-minute time frame. For Lnt we got a sell signal here. The trade executed here, and you can see it went down right till here, and then again one more buy signal, and in this candle the trade got executed, but we will not consider this as a trade, because as I said, after 2:15 we do not take any fresh trades. And second, if we make profit in the first candle, then we do not trade for the rest of the day. Now let's check out Reliance. For Reliance, you can see we have received a sell signal here and here, two signals, but both the signals are after 2 p.m. to 2:15 in fact. So no trades happened on Reliance. Then let's see ITC. ITC is very tricky. I'll show you. This is very interesting. In ITC we have received a sell signal here in the morning, but no trade happened here because none of the candles, closing price of the candles were lower than this. Then we have a buy signal, but no trade happened here. Why? If you see the stop loss candle, the previous candle is always the low of the previous candle is the stop loss. If you see, the stop loss candle is a doji candle and a very small candle. When a stop loss candle is small, at the same time a doji candle, we will avoid any trade. So if you see, we have saved ourselves from a stop loss. Then we have got a sell signal here, and it went down till here, and then again a buy signal. But as I said, we will not consider any buy signals. Why? We will not consider this as a trade, because we have made a profit in this candle. Then this is the Asian Paints chart. As you can see, we got a sell signal here, but no trade happened here. Why? Because there is a stop loss of 80 points. That means 160 points of target. So since the target is very big, we will leave it, but Might be some aggressive traders have sold in this signal and they have made a profit. It's okay, but we will not consider this as a trade. Then we have a buy signal here, but as I have told you, the next candle or the closing price of the next 4 to 5 candles should be higher than the candle in which we received the signal. So no trade happened here. Let's check out ACC. ACC, this is a sell signal, but no trade executed here. Again, we have got a buy signal, but no trade happened here. Why? Because if you see, the candle in which we were supposed to take the trade is a doji candle. If the trading candle in which we will take the trade is a doji, we will avoid. And see, if we would have taken a trade, it is just at 2 p.m. then there was a stop loss. So no trade happened here. And as I said, when you purchase our indicator, you will also get a strategy video, how to trade, when not to trade, which is also very much important. Next, we have M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra. We got buy signal here. We got a buy signal here. The trade happened somewhere between here and it went up right till here, and then again we have a sell signal. But as I said, if we have made profit in the first trade, we will not trade, but still there are many traders who will trade on this signal also. It is okay for them, and this candle is after 2 o'clock. Let's see one more stock. This is a Sun Pharma. For Sun Pharma, again we have got a sell signal here, and the trade happened somewhere between here. It went down right till here, and then again we have a buy signal, but we will not calculate these two candles as a trade. Why? As I have told you, when we make profit in our first trade, we will not trade anymore. So we will not consider this as a trade. This indicator works on TradingView. You can download it from Google Play Store or use it in your desktop browser. It works, the indicator works absolutely free with TradingView. You don't require any kind of premium TradingView account. Also, you get a lifetime validity, and along with that, along with the indicator, you also get our strategy videos on how to trade, how not to trade. It works in all market segment: equity, bank nifty, commodity, forex, crypto. Apart from this, you will get our full support. If you have any issues, you can send us a WhatsApp and we'll try to solve your query. That was all for today. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.